Hello everyone, welcome to Google Form Tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you make sure that in the questions that you have entered or even in the options that you have given, how can you add pictures for your forms. So the first question that must come to your mind is what is the usage of these pictures into the forms. So let me just tell you a scenario. Suppose this form that I'm creating is for the shipping details form. That means I am a owner of an e-commerce business and I want my customers to place the orders, and once they have placed their orders I want them to use the shipping details form to enter their details. Once they have entered their details, I want them to also select the mode through which they are going to pay me. So there are two options for them. Either they can go for the prepaid mode of payment or they can opt for cash on delivery. So if they are going for a prepaid mode of payment, I want them to show my QR code so that they can scan that particular QR code and then they can just pay me the required amount. So this is my intention. Now what happens here is I have created this question called mode of payment, which has two options, prepaid or cash on delivery. As soon as they click on prepaid, I want them to get an image in the next question, or maybe I want instead of the prepaid I want a picture to be shown, that if they want prepaid then okay, this image would be shown to them that okay, scan this QR code and you can pay me this way through the prepaid mode. So how can I add the picture of the QR code over here? That's the question. The solve is pretty simple. If you just click on this option, you will see this kind of a picture icon. Let's just click on that. This would allow you to insert the image through camera through a particular URL, that is from the web, through your photos or through Google image search, or simply you can upload from your PC. So I'm going to upload from my PC. Let's just click on browse and let me just go to the folder which might contain some images like this one. Okay, so I have some images over here. Let me just select a random image and click on open. So it's going to take a few seconds to upload this image, and once it has been uploaded you can see this image is also visible. So this text is visible and the image is visible. I'm going to add further instructions for my customers that prepaid, please scan this QR code. Prepaid, please scan this QR code, and that's it. So if I just click on any other field, then what happens is it will show me the preview of how the things would be looking. So this is how the customer will get to see it. Prepaid, please scan this QR code. They would be using their mobile phone to scan this QR code and then pay me the amount. So that's how you can add this image into the options tab. In case you want to also add an image in the question itself, then how can you do that? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create another question. Let me just click over here. Click on the plus icon to add a question. Here you can see you can just type something for the question, or you can just select the type of the question, or you can upload an image itself. Okay, so if I just click on this image, same menu would be there. Click on browse. Let's just select one image, maybe this one. Click on OK, and this image would be opened up, and here you can see this image has loaded. Now what happens is if I don't want this image, or if I want to perform some changes into the image, then I can just simply click on these three dots. I can make sure that it is center aligned, or alignment I can control. I can change the image, I can add a caption for the image, or I can entirely remove that image as well. So let's just remove this image because I don't need it. So let's just click on remove and the image is removed. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.